Duterte Drug Syndicate. Ito pong first video, kinuha ko po dito sa interview ni Ginoong Las Cañas doon po kay Christian Esquera. Ano po ito, mga 11 minutes po ito, pero diniscuss niya po, in-establish niya yung credentials niya para makikita natin kung bakit nalalaman yung nalalaman.
So paano po ba kayo na-involve sa BDS kasi tinatawag na the Banglet Squad? How much time did you spend there?
Ganito pang istorya ng personal ko na nabuhay. Noong 1980 ng April of Police sa Davao City Police Department, ang account. And then, I've been able through the first scene na ako as patrolman sa Davao Metropolitan Police District of Metro. And then, by 1988, nung na-appoint ito si Mayor. Hello, is that?
Good morning, everyone. I am Kelly from Manila Memorial Park, and we have come to pray with you and for our beloved Conrado Virtudes Espinal as we celebrate his life.
Gabay, paalala, at pakikiramay sa aming pamilya sa pagpanaw ng aming ama. I would also like to say a few thoughts how I remember Dad. Mom and Dad lived in our house. Is living in our house since March 2022. I am witness to the last years of the life of Dad. I want also to express this moment as an honor and celebration to the life of Dad. I celebrate the life of Dad because he was a cool dad. When I was young, sinasama po niya ako sa lahat ng klaseng sugalan. Karera ng kabayo, alay, casino, etc. I was less than 10 years old na tinuruan po niya akong magbilyar at bowling. Linggo-linggo po kami nasa Romel Billiard sa Timog. At naging weekly club league bowlers. Nung si JR naman po, ang punso naming lalaking kapatid na nagkaedad ng mga 10 or to 12, siya naman po ang sinasama ni Dad. At hanggang naging competitive level at champion bowlers po kami ni JR, katulad din po ni Daddy. Noong high school nga po ako, bidang-bida ako dahil ang galing kong magbilyar. Akala ng mga classmates ko, tambay ako sa bilyaran at hindi sila makapaniwala na ang nagturo pa sa akin magbilyar ay ang aking ama. I celebrate the life of Dad because he was a strict dad. Sa matinding bisyo niya na paninigarilyo at paminsan-minsan na pagsusugal, hindi po niya ako tinuruan na magbisyo at pinaalala ang masamang dulot nito. Sa laking pasasalamat ko naman, hindi po ako marunong kahit anong klaseng sugal. At hindi rin po ako nahook sa iyo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. You are now in a place where there is no pain. Wala nang sakit at pagdurusa. You are now on your way to praise God with the angels and saints forever. We will pray for you that you will soon meet the Lord Almighty. Tuloy-tuloy mo kaming gabayan, hindi po namin papabayaan si Mami. Gaya rin ng pag-aalaga mo kay Mami. Dad, magkikita pa tayong muli. Salamat po.
I would like to call Ms. Helen to give us a short message of thanks.
Actually, this is just a very short message of thanks to all of you. Kasi ayaw ko umiyak ng gusto. Kaya nga si Christian na pinagsalita namin ng medyo mahaba ng konti. So really, I would like to thank everybody, my family from both sides, my relatives from both sides, and also my classmates, high school classmates from Katarman. At saka yung mga friends, mga former office mates, nandito rin. Actually, second generation na nga ng office mate namin, si Rainier Dizon. His dad used to be my boss in the Urban Integrated Consultants. Andito rin siya, nakikiramay sa amin. So, sa lahat po, salamat ng maraming salamat. That's why, although we are grieving, but we are comforted with your outpouring support and love to Dad and to his family. So, we have so many groups, kami ni Daddy, especially our high school classmates. Hindi lang high school, from elementary to high school classmates. Office mates, Certeza group, UICI group, church group, adami nating. So, lahat yon, we really have spent time with each of this group. So, we have fond memories, even just recently. Noong last October lang, we have a trip to Pampanga with some of my former office mates. Siya ang driver. Then another one, we had a lunch date with also office mates, somewhere in Cubao. At siya din ang driver. Yeah. So always, he is so accommodating and friendly and fun to be with. So, lalo na din sa aking mga classmates, just last July, God blessed us with another milestone na siguro hinintay lang niya. We were able to celebrate our 50th wedding anniversary in Katarman with our classmates and immediate family being there. So, yun, talagang nakita ko sa kanya na talagang masayang-masaya din siya. But of course, including me. We were able to reach that milestone, which everyone who were there will always remember. So again, thank you for all your support, your prayers, your moral and financial support. So, anyway, sabi ko nga doon sa mga grupo, someday we'll still meet with each of the group in happier times. Okay, so hindi ko na po hahabaan ito. So, salamat po sa lahat. And i-announce ko na rin, no, after the ceremony here, we can proceed to Max Restaurant along Sukat to have our lunch, or we call it also pagbag, diba? Oo, so we all can proceed to, meron tayo doon reservation na private room for all of us. Okay, thank you po.